Setting up your 2025 Echo Buds begins with ensuring they are properly placed in the charging case. Next, locate the button on the back of the charging case and press it for at least 3 seconds until the LED indicator blinks blue. Now navigate to your device's Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. Your Echo Buds should appear in the list of discoverable devices. Important note: for Echo Buds second generation and later models, you must first register the device in the Alexa app before pairing with other devices. This ensures full integration with Alexa features. Once connected, your Echo Buds are ready for basic use. The next step involves configuring the Alexa app for full customization and feature access. Once your Echo Buds are paired, the next step is configuring them through the Alexa app. Start by downloading the Alexa app from your device's app store and logging in with your Amazon account. Before proceeding, ensure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your smartphone. These connections are essential for the setup process and ongoing functionality. Open your Echo Buds charging case. The Alexa app should automatically detect your Echo Buds and prompt you to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Alexa app to complete the initial setup. The app will guide you through each step of the configuration process. Once setup is complete, you can customize various settings. The Alexa app allows you to modify tap controls for music playback, phone calls, and Alexa actions according to your preferences. Adjust the equalizer settings to personalize your sound quality. The app provides bass, mid-range, and treble controls to fine-tune the audio to your listening preferences. Configure your Alexa settings within the app. You can enable or disable hands-free Alexa functionality and even change the wake word from Alexa to Echo if you prefer. The Alexa app displays the battery life for each individual earbud and the charging case. This helps you monitor power levels and plan your charging schedule accordingly. Your Echo Buds are now fully configured through the Alexa app. You can return to these settings anytime to adjust tap controls, audio preferences, Alexa settings, and monitor battery levels for optimal performance.